Hey guys, iTouch answers. So, yesterday, I tried jailbreaking my iPod Touch 2G. I failed, and this morning, I just jailbroke it. I got it, but now, I turned it off, and then, it won't turn off anymore. It won't work. I tried plugging it in on my computer, but won't recognize it. If I put it in DFU mode, it won't recover. Yeah. So please help if you know something about this, because really I paid a lot for this iPod and I really want it back. So yeah, iTouch answers. Please help. Or else.